Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Tableau Server Certified Associate course. In this session, we'll take a deep dive into the software requirements necessary for a successful Tableau Server installation. Let's begin by looking at the supported operating systems. Tableau Server is designed to run on 64-bit Windows and Linux platforms. On Windows, supported versions typically include Windows Server editions like 2019 and 2022. On the Linux side, Tableau supports several major distributions such as Ubuntu, CentOS, and Red Hat Enterprise Linux. It's important to check Tableau's official documentation for the most up-to-date OS compatibility before installation. Next, let's talk about browser requirements. Since Tableau Server is accessed via a web browser, user experience depends heavily on browser compatibility. Tableau Server supports modern browsers such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. Users should always use the latest stable version of their browser for optimal performance and feature support. Older or unsupported browsers may cause rendering issues or block access to certain features. Now, let's discuss email alert configurations. Tableau Server uses email alerts to notify users and administrators about important events, like extract failures, subscription deliveries, or system warnings. To enable these alerts, Tableau Server must be connected to an SMTP server, which acts as the email relay system. This can be configured through the Tableau Services Manager (TSM). You'll need the SMTP server address, port number, and authentication details, if required. When configuring email or other integrations, one often overlooked factor is antivirus software. Antivirus programs, especially on Windows, can sometimes interfere with Tableau processes, slowing them down or even blocking them altogether. It's a best practice to exclude Tableau's directories and processes from real-time scanning to avoid unexpected interruptions or degraded performance. Another common challenge involves port conflicts. Tableau Server uses a variety of ports for internal communication between its components, and conflicts can occur if other applications are using the same ports. It's essential to check port availability before installation and to adjust settings if your environment requires specific changes. Tableau's documentation provides a complete list of default ports for reference. Finally, let's touch on running Tableau Server in the cloud. Many organizations choose to deploy Tableau on cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. The cloud provides flexibility, scalability, and easier disaster recovery options. However, cloud deployments also come with considerations like persistent storage, network security, and integration with cloud-based identity providers or databases. Whether you're deploying on-premises or in the cloud, the goal is the same: reliable access, consistent performance, and secure data delivery. In conclusion, understanding Tableau Server's software requirements is critical for setting up a secure, performant, and reliable environment. Thank you for joining us today, and see you soon.